Hey everybody, welcome to Phil's house. Today, I DIY reupholstered the seat on my Katana. Not perfect, but a lot better than it was. So come check out how I did it. So one of the tools I'm using today is my trusty Milwaukee duck knife. Yes, it looks like a regular camping knife, but apparently it's made for doing ducts and pipe insulation. So does an okay job of cutting through foam and whatnot. Gonna go ahead and start by getting the old seat skin off, or at least whatever's left of it, which isn't much. Get the old staples pulled out of it and see how the condition of the foam is, if we need to alter that at all. The staples in these things do come out pretty easily. They don't really bend when they go in, they just go in straight. So you can pretty well just pry them right up. They come right out. Also, a little pro tip, if you don't have any uh, drop cloth or masking paper or anything fancy like that, you can always pull out an old roll of Christmas wrapping paper. That works just as well. And more than likely, you have a ton of stuff laying around way until comes that time of year. So why not use it for something else? You got it. This old seat skin is shot to hell. There's not a whole lot left of it. The foam is pretty torn up too, especially in the front of it. So we might need to start cutting into some of that and see if we can place some of it, make it a little more comfortable. Because there's not much left. Now I'm going to try to kind of chop out what I don't want to reuse and make kind of an even slice up here in the front of it to where I can graft in a new piece of foam up there, which will make it more comfortable and a little more uniform-ish. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional at this, and I don't have a whole lot of practice at it either. But the key to all of this is not to be scared to try it. If you don't know how to do it, you can learn how to do it. You might not be the best at it, but you at least tried. So that's all that really matters, is you try to do it. You screw it up, screw it up. But end of the day, you at least try to do it. And whatever you can screw up, chances are you can probably fix it too. So don't be scared to work on some. Try new things. It's how you learn how to do stuff. We're going to take some of the edges out up at the top of this foam, just kind of let it blend as it comes over that curve. And hopefully once I pull all this vinyl tight, it'll start to cooperate a little better, which I'm using a standard outdoor marine grade vinyl with foam backing or cloth backing. That way it has a decent amount of workability to it. You can put a good stretch on it and should cooperate for the most part. you start running staples, you want a decently powerful staple gun, something that can really drive them in. I found a basic upholstery stapler slash universal stapler on Amazon by DNA Motoring, which they make all kinds of Chinese made car parts and whatnot. So it seems to work okay. It does the job. As long as you get the stapler flush, you'll send them right in the plastic. Now it basically comes down to a game of tug and pull. You're just trying to get the slack taken out of the vinyl and get a tight pull on it. That way, as the foam contracts down, it still stays relatively tight. And then I basically just kind of had to play around with it, run staples. Once I pulled places tight, see how the material wants to work. And I did have to take a few staples back out and try again. So I had a lot of trial and error in this part just to get where it'll cooperate properly. But like I said, not professional. And so after a tremendous amount of tug and pull and tug and retug slash staple in between, remove staple, pull, tug, stretch, all that, I have something that resembles a seat, and I'm happy enough with it. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks a lot better than the old junk that was on there. So it'll do a job for now. Look decent, be comfortable. That's all I need to do. So thank y'all for watching another episode of Phil's House. Throw this seat on here, and we'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.